Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that a drink of cold water helps your business. Okay? So, a good story about this is whenever I drink water, I have to mix in this electrolyte drink because my body gets short on certain electrolytes. But it just allows me to be able to get level-headed and it allows my body to feel more relaxed. When I get dehydrated, I notice that, my mind gets a little bit cloudy. I get a little bit more agitated. My body just feels really tight and contracted. So what does that do for my business? When I'm relaxed, I'm able to make better business decisions. I'm able to close and to get more people to sign up on consultation calls because I'm able to think clear and I do not get as annoyed. I'm able to be patient. I'm able to be relaxed. I'm able to be friendly. And that's why, drinking is helping my business and allows me to be able to, get to my goals faster. Now, if you want to be able to get to your goals faster, I recommend you go check out the link in the description below to my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. As the name suggests, we give you everything that you need to start moving forward towards the life and the goals that you have set for yourself. Have a great day. See you in the next one, and talk to you soon.